Yes, mom. Ever since my arm broke, I'm sick of going to the doctor. I've lost my mind. Yes, 1 minute, I'll call you back. What's wrong? All work is done?
Yes, madam. Everything is done.
Okay, you can go now. And please don't take so many leaves from now. You have come after 1 week. Whole home is messed up because of you.
Yes, ma'am. I won't take it. My son is very sick. That's why I couldn't come.
Oh, really? The day you received salary, your son got sick?
No, madam. Actually, in his stomach.
I don't want to hear your fictional stories. You can please leave. I'm already so much upset. Please.
Madam,
What happened?
can I get some money?
Are you out of your mind? Do we have a money printing machine here?
My son is very sick.
So what can I do? Just look at me now. I have a broken arm and I'm already sick of going to doctor again and again.
What happened? Why are you getting angry? How are you, uncle?
I'm fine, sir. Okay, I'll leave now, sir.
Okay, bye. What happened to you? What was uncle saying?
He was saying nothing, yaar. My life is ruined since this arm broke. I don't know when everything will be fine.
Yeah, it will get better, man. It is getting better. What is there to ruin life? Do you know how many problems people face in their lives? This is nothing.
No need to give me lectures, please.
Ah, man, you are always angry.
What can I do, yaar? I have so many issues in my life and these people's dramas as well.
Whose drama?
Hey, Kaka, yaar. Again, he was asking for money.
But you gave him a salary a few days ago.
Yeah, so? He took salary and went on leave. And I don't know, he's always with something or other.
Okay, now you have refused him. So stop being angry, calm down. I'll do one thing, I'll change, and then I'll arrange for the dinner.
Sir, will I get my salary?
Yes, uncle, I have kept your money. Here you go.
Kaka, how is your son now?
Yes, he was not well, right? How is he?
He is no more.
Kaka, why you didn't tell me? What happened? He was that much ill.
He had a tumor in his stomach. The doctor gave the date of the operation. But we poor people couldn't collect the doctor's fees. And the tumor burst in his stomach. My son lost his life.
But uncle, you didn't tell us anything. And you didn't take a holiday, you are coming regularly.
Because of my son's disease, I'd already taken a lot of holidays, sir. Because of his treatment, I had a lot of debt. So how could I take more holidays? I have to return the money of others. I have to feed myself. So how could I take more holidays?
Why did you take money from others? You should have told us. I would have given you money.
No, sir. You and madam were already very worried. Her arm was broken. Although once I tried to talk to madam, but madam said every time my son falls sick after taking money, I wanted to say something, but you said, don't tell us your story now. So how could I tell my story to you?
Kaka, you felt so bad about what I said. So big thing happened and you didn't tell us.
No, madam. You didn't say anything wrong. You said it right. You were so worried. Now, in our life, there is always problems. There is a different thing. For you your problem was big and for me, mine.
Uncle, you are not a stranger for us, which will not affect your problem. And yes, for that day, I would like to apologize to you that we didn't know that your son is so sick that if there is no money, then his life will be lost. You do one thing. Whatever loan you have taken, I'll give that money to you. You pay your loan first.
No, sir. I don't need money now. When I needed it, I didn't get it. And now I won't even be able to take it. My son is gone. So what is the use of money now? As far as loan is concerned, I'll work hard and I'll pay everything. You don't worry about me. Don't worry.